Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options to Play video update. So, Amazon, definitely the main event for earnings this afternoon. I mean, everybody's focused on it. Everybody's talking about it. I've been talking about it for the last couple days, and I mean, to say that it's going to be the center of attention, I feel like is an understatement. I mean, it was always every quarter Amazon's a big report, but this quarter and specifically today, I think it takes on even greater importance, right? Both for the stock itself, but for the overall market, which I'll I'll pull up a chart in a second to kind of show you what I mean. So as of last check, options are priced in about like 234, 235, somewhere around there for Amazon. These are options that expire tomorrow. Okay, so this is basically the price options and they expire. Now, the stock, I mean, very clearly the stock has broken down out of a long support range, right? So if I just draw a quick support range, you can see it's lost major support levels. It's down pretty dramatically over the last month going into earnings. It's down a lot today going into earnings. And I mean, there's room higher, there's plenty of room lower. For me, I don't have a great read on it. I think expectations I think sentiment is lower. Expectations are very mixed. I don't know if people really know what to expect, and there's a lot of uncertainty, which means that it could be volatile, right? Now, for the stock, obviously it matters because it just broke a huge support level, and we've seen a lot of these pandemic beneficiaries really start to come back down to where they were in 2020, right? So if that was the case on Amazon, there's obviously a lot of room to the downside. Now, the reason why I think it's even more important is because of the overall market. This quarter, the Qs have been extremely sensitive to the big cap tech reports. So when Microsoft reported, the Qs moved 5 to 6 points. When Apple reported, the Qs had a big move. When Google reported, the Qs had a big move. When Facebook reported, the Qs have had a big move, and now Amazon's the last of the tech titans to report this week. And again, probably looking at a significant move. And what's interesting is that you had the bounce on the Qs, right, and the back test of the 200-day. And right now, with Facebook's report, the Qs are looking like a back test failure, which is more of a bearish setup, right? When you get a break of the 200-day, you get a bounce that fails, and now we're starting to turn lower after Facebook's disappointment. If Amazon's down, Amazon drags tech down, then this is really going to start to look like more of like a shortable bounce with the potential for another leg lower versus a developing rebound where we reset levels and start to work our way higher, right? So if Amazon's up, the Qs can make a push back to the 200-day. Well, that developing bounce may still be intact, but a lot of question marks. Like Amazon's earnings release, there's a lot of question marks for now with the Qs. I mean, some people are saying garden variety pullback,
Test radio. Hello,
right?
hello.
Garden variety pullback, looking for another major recovery. Other people are saying this is the start of a major correction. So that's why I think tonight it's big not only for Amazon, but it's big for the overall market, and I think there's gonna be a lot of people that are really focused on this print. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I don't have a great read on it. It's kind of a toss up. I don't have any options on Amazon. I'm going to be a spectator, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Maybe I'll mess around with some options after the numbers come out. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading events with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a great night. Stay well. Best of luck if you're playing any of these earnings releases, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.